Hot Wheels collectors and fans. Just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I know I didn't get to upload a video last week. I've been really busy trying to get everything together. So anyways, I made that trailer, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that trailer. I had kind of fun making it. Anyways, I picked one of these up. It's been I've had it actually for several weeks. I just didn't get a chance to do a review on it. It's really cool casting. I really like it. I really enjoyed the movie when I was a kid, watching it. And when I saw that they actually made it, it was pretty cool. And I don't see enough of the Ford pickup castings, so I was pretty excited about that. I know that they're doing the Real Rider series that's going on right now. Has another Ford pickup in there that I actually picked up, and I'll do a review on that later. But anyways, like I said, I hadn't got to post in probably a couple of weeks, and so I just wanted to do a quick one. And of course it's Thanksgiving Day, so everybody's kind of busy in the kitchen cooking up a storm, and we're gonna have some turkey. But anyways, just wanted to let you guys know, hey, my channel's still active. Don't forget about me. There's more videos to come. Like I said, I'm waiting on a specific camera and a little setup, so hopefully I'll get that up and go in the next few weeks. I think I might actually do some reviews on maybe some Greenlight, what they call the Hollywood series. I typically stick to Hot Wheels, and I'm pretty much just a Hot Wheels guys, but I really do enjoy movie cars, so I might actually kind of branch out a little bit and look at some movie cars from some other, from the Greenlight series. But anyways, just kind of curious what you guys think about this casting. I like what they've done with everything. Now, one thing I haven't noticed about the casting that wasn't as accurate about this one in the movie one is, in the movie, this vehicle actually has an orange light that goes on top, like you would normally see an emergency truck with an orange. I think it was just your standard old school rotating orange light from back in the back in the 80s. There you see where it says Department of Water and Power, where he worked. But that's the only thing that I saw that was actually missing from this truck, was that. So anyways, other than that, the truck's pretty accurate, pretty cool. Of course, they got their own kind of tires on. These aren't really, that's the one thing about this, is they use their Real Rider series, or the rubber tires, and these really aren't really accurate to the wheels and tires that were on the actual truck. But I know in order for them to go to the metal rim and rubber tires like they want to do on this particular series, they use whatever they have in stock, it looks like. But that's one thing I noticed about some of the Greenlights. The Greenlights, they kind of do more accurate rims. So that was the only thing that was a little off about this truck, is you don't have the orange light on top, and you don't have the Ford factory wheels that was in the movie. Other than that, super cool casting, and I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer I made. So anyways, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have lots of fun with friends and family, and I will see you again hopefully next week.
A34, F-250, it's M Mary 10 through M Mary 12, okay.
1047.
It's all meaningless so far. Okay, come on. Alright, let's see. My stop leads you to the single circuits and leads you right to nowhere. M Mary 10.
Oh, shit!